In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up two-factor authentication on GitHub in just 5 minutes. This added layer of security is essential in today's digital world where keeping your information safe from unauthorized access is more important than ever. So let's dive right in and get started. First, head over to the GitHub website. You can easily find it by typing github.com into your web browser's address bar and hitting enter. Once there, if you're not already logged in, you'll want to locate the sign in button, which is typically found at the top right corner of the page. Give that a click and you'll be directed to the login page. Here you'll need to enter your GitHub username or your email address. If you're like most people, you probably use your email as your username, but either will work. Carefully type that into the input field and then proceed to the next step, which is entering your password. Make sure you're entering it correctly as passwords are case sensitive. If you have forgotten your password, there's a link here that can help you recover it. After you've entered both your username and password, click on the sign in button. Once you've successfully logged in, you will be taken to your GitHub dashboard. This is your personal landing page on GitHub where you can see your repositories, activity and more. Now look towards your profile picture in the top right corner and click on it. A drop down menu should appear. From this menu, find the settings option and click on it to proceed. You're now in your account settings, which is the central place to control all aspects of your GitHub account, including your security settings. Next, look for the passwords and authentication tab in the left-hand sidebar and click on it. This takes you to a new page focusing specifically on your password management and authentication methods. Here is where the magic happens. You'll now notice an option labeled Enable Two-Factor Authentication. Click on this and you will begin the process of setting up your two-factor authentication. This involves linking an authentication app to your GitHub account. While the exact steps for linking an app might vary depending on what authenticator app you choose to use, the basic idea is to scan a QR code or enter a setup key provided by GitHub. And there you have it, your GitHub account now has an added layer of security. Two-factor authentication makes it significantly harder for unauthorized users to access your account, as they would require both your password and access to your authentication app. If you encounter any issues or have further questions, GitHub's Help Center is a great resource for additional support. Thank you for watching and stay safe online.